Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain a simple program in C language. Okay, first of all we need Turbo C compiler or editor. We need compiler or editor to write the C program and as well as execute. Okay, here I have the Turbo C compiler. I am clicking on that compiler. Now it will be open like this. This is the compiler. This is the Turbo C compiler. Now go to file, click on file. Okay, click on go to file and click on new. Okay, the screen will be open like this. Okay, now first of all save the program. Sorry, go to file and click on new. Now save the program. I am saving in. Give the program name. Okay, program name is I am giving hello dot c. You should save the program with .c extension. Okay, you should save the program with .c because this is the C programs. These are the C programs. Okay, now press enter. Okay, here in the top, here you can see the program name. Okay, I saved with hello.c. Here you can see in the top. Okay, now type the program. Okay, hash include here hash include is a preprocessor directive. Okay, hash include stdio.h. Here hash include is a preprocessor directive. stdio.h is a header file. What is meant by stdio.h? What is the full form of stdio.h? stdio.h full form standard input output. Okay, standard input output, that is the header file stdio.h. Okay, now type the main function. Okay, press enter. Okay, open curly braces, then press enter. Main function, every program starts with main function. Okay, in this main function we can write many functions, user defined functions. We write the user defined function in this main function. Okay, main function is a library function. Okay, now I am writing the printf statement. Printf, now I am writing the printf statement. This printf statement consists of double quotes. In this printf I am typing hello world. This is a printf statement. Okay, why we use this statement? Printf is used to get the output. Okay, we write this statement for output. We write this statement for output. Okay, what do you want to show the output? hello world. I am going to show the hello world. So every statement in the C program ends with semicolon. Then press enter. Now close the curly braces. Okay, these are the curly braces. Floor brackets or floor brackets. You can say. Okay. Now press F2 for saving. Then press Y on your keyboard. Okay. Now compile. For compilation, go to compile and click on compile. Now one warning, zero errors. What is the one function should return a value? So here we use the return type void. Where we use this void? Void is a return type. It returns the values. Okay. Okay. Now save again. Press F2 for saving. Press Y on your keyboard. Then compile. Alt F9. Warning 0, error 0. Okay. Then compile. To execute the program, we use Control F9, or to run the program, Control F9. Then press S. Click on S. Here, if you want to display the output, for displaying the output, we use Alt F5 shortcut key. What is the output? Hello world. This is your output. Okay. Okay. Hello world is the output. If you want to come back, then press enter. Okay. This is the simple program in C language. Okay. Thank you, friends. If you want to close this window, then go to file and click on quit. Okay. The compiler was closed. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, hit on like and share this video to your friends. For more videos, click on subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, friends.